Tom ខ្ញុំបាទសូមគោរពជំរាបសួរលោកគ្រូនិងសួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបានលើកយកវីដេអូស្ដីពីរបៀបនៃការដោះកុំព្យូទ័រនិងការរៀបឡើងវិញនៅ component និងគ្រឿងកុំព្យូទ័រទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យខាតពេលយូរយើងចូលទៅកាន់វីដេអូទាំងអស់គ្នាលើតុរបស់ខ្ញុំនេះមាន hardware មួយចំនួនមានដូចជា CPU ដែលតួនាទីរបស់ CPU គឺជាអ្នកគណនានិងបញ្ជាលើរាល់សកម្មភាពទាំងអស់របស់កុំព្យូទ័រមិនថាចុចម៉ៅឬបើកកម្មវិធីអ្វីទេនៅលើ CPU គឺជាអ្នកចាត់ចែងហើយមួយទៀតគឺ RAM គឺជាកន្លែងផ្ទុកទិន្នន័យបណ្ដោះអាសន្ននៅពេលដែល CPU កំពុងតែប្រើប្រាស់ទី3គឺ GPU ដោយសារតែលើតុនេះគឺមិនមាន GPU ប៉ុន្តែ GPU នេះគឺទទួលបន្ទុកក្នុងការបង្ហាញរូបភាពនិងវីដេអូនិង graphic ផ្សេងៗបន្តមកទៀតគឺ power supply គឺជាអ្នកបំលែងចលនាអគ្គិសនីពីព្រីជញ្ជាំងឬក៏ភ្លើងឆៅរបស់យើងទៅជាចរន្តដែលគ្រឿងកុំព្យូទ័រអាចប្រើប្រាស់បានឬក៏យើងហៅម្យ៉ាងទៀតថាវាអាចបំលែងពី DC ពី AC ដែលភ្លើងរ៉ុតរបស់យើងទៅជាភ្លើង DC ដើម្បីឲ្យ hardware យើងអាចប្រើប្រាស់បានបន្តមកគឺ case គឺជាប្រអប់ដាក់គ្រឿង system unit ទាំងអស់មាន component ដែលខ្ញុំបានរៀបរាប់នេះ system តែមួយដែលវាមានលំហូរខ្យល់ដើម្បីឲ្យម៉ាស៊ីនត្រជាក់ជាងមុនដែរមួយទៀតគឺ storage វាមានដូចជា hard disk និង SSD វាគឺជាទំហំផ្ទុកអចិន្ត្រៃយ៍មួយសម្រាប់ផ្ទុកទិន្នន័យទាំងអស់ដែលយើងបាន save ទុកជាដើមនេះគឺជាម៉ាស៊ីនដែលខ្ញុំនឹងដោះនៅពេលនេះអញ្ចឹងជាដំបូងយើងដោះស្ទះវាមកហើយមុនគេគឺយើងត្រូវដោះទៅលើផ្នែក power supplyបន្ទាប់មកយើងដកផ្នែកខ្សែសំខាន់ហើយជាមួយនឹង fan របស់ CPUតិចគឺយើងដោះទៅលើផ្នែក RAM វាមានស្ទះរបស់វាសងខាងអញ្ចឹងយើងគ្រាន់តែបើកស្ទះហើយយើងចាប់វាបែបនេះមកហើយយើងដាក់លើតុនេះទៀតក៏យើងធ្វើបែបនេះដែរម្ដងទៀត ហើយបន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងដោះទៅលើផ្នែក CPU ដោយ CPU គឺយើងគ្រាន់តែទាញទំពក់វាមកខាងមកគេហៅថាជាកន្លែង lock របស់វាហ្នឹងហើយយើងទាញស្ទះវាយើងយកវាចេញមករួចជាការស្រេចតែម្ដងហើយបន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងដោះទៅលើផ្នែក motherboard ទាំងមូល
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. បន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងដោះទៅលើផ្នែក CD ROM ជាមួយនឹង storage Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
ចឹងយើងចូលមកកាន់ការរៀបនៅលើ system unit ចឹងដំបូងយើងដាក់ CPU ចូលមកបន្ទាប់មកយើងបិទស្ទះហើយនឹងដាក់កលឹះរបស់វាបន្ទាប់មកទៀតគឺយើងដាក់ RAM ចឹងយើងមើលស្ទះថា RAM មួយណាស្ទះវែងមួយណាស្ទះខ្លាំងខាង3ខាងខ្លីបន្ទាប់មកយើងដាក់ចូលទៅក្នុង slot របស់ RAM ដាក់ក្នុង slot របស់ RAM យើងដាក់ពណ៌លឿងអូខេមកហើយ RAM ម្ដងទៀតគឺយើងត្រូវដាក់ខាងលឿងដូចគ្នា បន្ទាប់មកទៀតគឺយើងដាក់ fan CPU ចូល
Now I remember everything and how careless we could be and how careless we could be
បន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងដាក់ board របស់យើងចូលទៅក្នុង cache របស់យើង
Long fights, it felt right. We were alive. We would go out. We were so loud. We were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless. We were fearless. We were reckless. Time was precious. We loved to waste time. Whiskey and wine. Drinking all night. Asleep by your side. Finally alive. We would just drive. Never arrive. Our journey was live. Staying out late. Testing our fate. Running away. We live for today. Young and so bold. Never get old. Screw what we're told. We can't be controlled. It's too late now. I remember everything and how careless we could be and how careless we could be and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
បន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមដាក់ power supply របស់យើងចូល
And how careless we could be. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear 'em scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
បន្តមកទៀតយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមដាក់ CD ROM របស់យើងចូលមក
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
បន្តមកទៀតគឺយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមចាប់ mount របស់ storage ចូលមក mount របស់ hard disk ជាដើម បន្តមកយើងមើលការរៀបចំទៅលើការដោតទៅលើ cable ឬក៏ខ្សែផ្សេងៗដែលចេញពី power supply ជាមួយនឹងខ្សែ SATA ទៅលើផ្នែកផ្សេងៗនៃ motherboard បន្ទាប់ពីការចាប់គ្រឿងទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងមកហើយយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមបិទស្ទះ cache មកហើយវីដេអូខ្ញុំមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេក៏សូមអរគុណដល់លោកគ្រូនិងអ្នកនរគ្នាដែលបានយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ចំពោះវីដេអូនេះ